how should the listeners think about like what is defined as quant versus not? So you were using models to guide your
Yeah,
decisions, but it wasn't all algorithmic.
exactly, right. So,
Okay.
for example, I would have some spreadsheets, in Excel
Right.
that would tell me, hey, this option strategy looks pretty cheap, or I would have some models that would develop in R that would tell me, oh, if you backtest, for example, the shape of the VIX future curve as a signal, it gives you pretty good hit ratio for deciding if you buy or sell a VIX future. But it was never like my model this morning saying me to buy 2 units of VIX, I should buy 2 units of VIX. It was more like,
Yeah, or wasn't your model actually executing the trades?
process.
Thanks to you, my listeners at Wall Street Oasis. If you have any suggestions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to send them my way, Patrick at wallstreetoasis.com. Until next time.